So hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna show you how to plant these keikis. So using a fast draining media. So for me, you can use a fair bark, peat moss, or for me I use the coconut husk, a shredded coconut husk. So I use this in all my potted orchids and it's doing well. So I'll just use this because this one, I'll just get this for free since we have a lot of coconut trees. So no need to buy, I'll use this one. So for now, we'll do the one in the pot. So let's start. So potting orchid keikis is similar to potting any other plant. So first we have to fill the bottom half to 2/3 of our potting media, which is the coconut husk. So we just fill the bottom half to 2/3. And then we have to carefully place the keiki inside so the roots is pointing down, and we have to secure the plant in place by filling the remaining space with more coconut husk. So we'll put this in the middle. And then fill it up with more of a coconut husk and press it down to make sure the plant is stable. I want nobody but you. There you go. See, even if we move the pot, the plant is not moving, so that means it's already good. So it's very easy. That's how you cut a keiki leaf. I'll give you an update of all these keikis I'm going to plant maybe after a month. So another way also is we can put the coconut husk around the root area of the keiki to make it more stable before placing it inside the pot. So this is how you do it. It's just very simple. It's like you're making a ball of coconut husk with the keiki in the middle. Just like that. Go, go, go. Let the power stop, keep go. Oh, shawty with the go. Don't need no like it, na 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 na. Don't need no stress, got na 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 na. Just need no sanzur. I want nobody but you. And then we'll put this inside. I want nobody but you. See, that's how easy. Even if we remove the pot, the baby plant, the keiki is stable. So this is the keiki that's been overdue for a long time. It's already flowering. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just grab a shredded coconut husk. And then wrap it around the base of the keiki. So this process will make the plant more secure and stable. So before you put it inside the pot, I love doing this. Like this. So as I'm sure that when we water them, when we water them, the plant is very stable, so it won't move. So this is how my own way of planting the keiki. So this one, so our plant is already filled with so we make sure that there's a lot of space in the middle to put this in. So that's it. And then fill it up with more shredded coconut husk. It's done. Look at it. See, even if you move the pot, the keiki is very stable. Spread like soft in the salad. Bakit gusto nila si Bella? Shiny pattern, brown. Another salty yellow, just brown. Sorry, I'm planting our orchids in the pot. On my next video, I'm gonna show you how to plant the keiki on the branch of the tree. So that's it for